Hello to everyone. So this lecture is based on accommodation operation in which we are going to discuss today the responsibilities and duties of housekeeping personnel, starting from executive housekeeper to the trainee, the junior most employee, or you can say a part of the team member of this department. So, as you know, we have three different categories of the hotel. We have small, medium, and large hotel. Starting from the top, we have the executive housekeeper. Executive housekeeper is the head of the department, and she or he is responsible for the overall performance of the department. So we start with the executive housekeeper only. That how this position is so important for this department to run smoothly. So executive housekeeper is responsible for and accountable also for the total cleanliness of the hotel, keeping the aesthetic on the right place of all the rooms, public area of the hotel. EHK also supervises on the daily basis all the housekeeping employees, their grooming, their timings, their responsibilities. This person has also the authority to hire or discharge any employee, any subordinates, planning the budget, and assign the different assignments, responsibilities to supervisor, assistant manager, and all the trainees of the departments. Executive housekeeper also informs the new employees about the regulations, policies of the department, standard operating procedure of the department. Executive housekeeper also inspects the different rooms, especially the VIPs, and also the important functions which are taking place in the hotel. And also all the assignments, all the duties should be finished on time. All the occupied rooms should be finished on time. All the store related requisitions, they are filled correctly. The items are taken from the stores on time and placed in the guest rooms as per the standard. Now, executive housekeeper reporting is to the general manager, but in some hotel we also have the residence manager, and in some large hotels we have rooms division manager also. So room division manager is responsible for housekeeping as well as front office. So executive housekeeper reports to the RDM or resident manager or the general manager of the hotel. So these are the some basic duties and responsibilities of executive housekeeper. He or she is there to organize, supervise, and coordinate the work of housekeeping personnel on day-to-day basis. Second, she or he ensures the upkeep of the standard, the excellence in housekeeping, which is related to sanitation, safety, comfort, on aesthetics for the entire hotel staff as well as for the guest. Making the duty roster for the entire team, getting the or giving the approval to the managers for monthly basis or weekly basis. As you know, there are three shifts and the areas are many to take care of. Plus, executive housekeeper supervise the discipline and the conduct of her staff in the department. Means all the staff member, they are coming on time, they are taking the proper training, their grooming standards, the way they interact with the guest, the way they make the rooms, the way they upkeep their equipments in the areas. So executive housekeeper takes care of all these things. The proper communication, there should not be any gap in communication with the other departments, or you can say within the departments. It is only possible when executive housekeeper conducts the regular meetings with all the staff member of the department. In these meetings, even staff welfare is also discussed. Hiring new employees, giving warning to employees those are having some errors, they need training when policies are violated, and discharging employees whenever it is necessary after giving some warnings or many warnings. Doing the counseling of the staffs on various duties, sometime work related issues. So she has to manage time in between to do the counseling, motivational counseling whenever it is required, motivating the staff in the briefing and keeping their morale very high so that they can give their best to the guest in the hotel or if they are working in the back areas. Plus, all the SOPs of the management of the hotel should be followed. It should be the entire department employees should be aware of the SOPs related to cleanings, initiating the new procedures, doing or creating wow for the guest. So to increase the efficiency of the staff and product related use, whatever new things is coming in the market, she has to be aware of and try to get it placed in the room for a better experience of the guest. So regarding the new techniques, new equipments, new products, as I mentioned in the market, she has to constantly search for it. She has to get the demo done, training done by the other companies like Karcher we have Johnson Diversey. They can come to the hotel to give the demonstration of the new machines. So it can be implemented, it can be purchased. Inventory of the furniture, inventory of the items, keeping it in the records in the system is important. Examples like linen. There are some equipments which are movable from the room from the public areas. And the back areas related premises, it is the responsibility of executive housekeeper to check those items on regular basis, physically or in the inventory list. Organizing the maintenance and repair of the guest rooms. That means giving at least 2 rooms on the daily basis to engineering team. They can come, they can check from corner to corner, plumbing, AC, polishing, marble polishing, plus electrician related issues, carpentry related issues, so that when the occupancy is high, the rooms are always clean and don't create any sort of repair related issues. Dealing with the articles that guests have left in the hotel, known as lost and found. So, doing the proper follow ups with the guest is important. Calling them, sending them mail. If guests want us to send the courier, we can always get this thing done, and which is on chargeable basis. Mentioning the charges to the guest, taking the prior approval is important. Plus, executive housekeeper also make sure that the entire hotel staff have the proper uniform, they are washed properly, they are stored properly, right chemical is used for washing them. Otherwise, the uniforms, we invest a lot of money, a lot of fund, should not be damaged. Staff should not be late just because of the uniform not there in the uniform room or they are not getting it on time. Hygiene and safety precautions for the audit, before the audits, during the operations is the responsibility of the executive housekeeper. Doing the observations, ensuring everything is perfect, all is the responsibility of executive housekeeper. Giving suggestions to the management, giving suggestions to the HR department regarding the selection procedures, regarding the selection criterias, recruitment, appraisals, replacements, duty alterations, upgradations, and increments, plus all the festival related celebrations, coordinating with HR team, training team is done by the executive housekeeper. At the end of the year, when an employee has completed 1 year tenure, then evaluating the employees in order to upgrade them for the next position if there is opening arise. So executive housekeeper always inform the staff, groom the staff, and make the things very clear so that there is no doubt and staff members they remain motivated all the time. Organizing and supervising on the job training. Also, with the help of training department, checking the training calendar and sending the staff for their future, for their career is the responsibility of executive housekeeper. Liaising with the other departments, especially with front office, especially with engineering department. So executive housekeeper make sure that the communication is good, meetings are taking place, and there is no confusion, no doubts between these two departments in terms of coordinating related to blocking the rooms for VIP, for group, giving rooms area for the maintenance, giving full support to these two departments will make the function smooth. Plus, all the requisitions, purchase requisitions, store requisitions, checking them, inspecting them, giving them approval in housekeeping department so that there is no wastage, there is no extra items kept in the pantry. And all the items should come as per the past stock, as per the future occupancy. Nothing should come extra. Inventory control. If anything is getting misplaced and we come to know at the end of the month through inventory, it is a responsibility of executive housekeeper to make sure that all the staff member they are extra careful about that item. Cost controlling procedures. The staff aware about the items, the cost, and telling them use them properly. Don't throw linen on the floor while making bed. Don't use towels while doing the cleaning of washrooms. So it is all discussed, informed in the briefing and debriefing of the morning and in the evening. Checking the files for all sort of reports. Registers are maintained, covered for any audit, day-to-day basis. Checking the all the reports of the previous audits. If there is any guest delayed item, if guest had to wait for something, so executive housekeeper checks all the registers. Maintaining the logbook. It becomes so easy from one shift to the another shift to write the logs and the messages are clear. This is for all the employees within the department, especially the managers. They have to go through the logbook. They have to check on the daily basis. They have to sign it. Plus redecoration, renovation of the hotel, of the areas is the responsibility of executive housekeeper. Refurbishing of the areas, of the rooms, lobbies, and other areas. She is supposed to tell executive housekeeper to the owner of the staff of the hotel that this area needs the renovation work. Providing budget to the management 1 or 2 months prior to the April month and run the department as per the budget approved funding and doing the proper forecasting with the help of sales department, front office department is the responsibility of executive housekeeper. So these are the basic responsibilities which I have shared, and all the large hotels have the same sort of job criteria, job responsibilities, job descriptions. So this was all for today. Duties and responsibility of the executive housekeeper. In the next sessions, we will discuss further about the managers and the supervisors related responsibilities. So by the time, thank you very much. See you in the next sessions. Thank you.